Hey guys, welcome to Photoshop 7.0 tutorial. In this video I am sharing how to make passport size images in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. Please watch till end. First, open Adobe Photoshop 7.0 on your Win. In the File section, open File, select any image of your choice. You can also open files by double-clicking on the screen. I have downloaded this image from Pexels, where you can get many copyright-free images and videos. In the toolbar, select Crop Tool, type width and height and resolution of your choice. Simply, crop the image according to the size. And simply press Enter in the keyboard, or by clicking on Move tool, a dialog box appears. In that select Crop, press OK. I have maximized the image for rest of editing. In the menu bar, open Image, Adjustments, Curves, which is used to increase or decrease the brightness of image. After adjusting brightness, press OK. Then in the Select section, press All, to select the whole image, which is used to modify the image. If you want to add border, in Edit section, select Strokes, select Color. I have chosen green color, so outside the image green color appears. You can see it by scaling the image. Adjust it as border size. Zoom in or out the image, by scrolling the mouse wheel. Then File, New, a dialog box appears. Select width, height and resolution of your choice. After adjusting border, deselect the image. We have to define pattern to our image. Select the image. In Edit section, select Define Pattern. In the dialog box, name it and press OK. Then select the blank file, edit, fill the pattern that we defined, press OK. The blank file fills with image. If you need more and more tutorials, like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press bell icon for notification.